doing some customization of this burly trailer I got to haul some things around town with some RydeSafe reflective hexagons. And wanted to show you one little cool trick you can do. These can be used as spoke reflectors. You just kind of line these up corner to corner. Careful, careful. Like so. And then these can just fold over like that. So let's give this a spin. I just got like, 3 or 4. I'll turn the flash on so we can see the reflectivity. You see, and the movement really helps too. You can actually kick these out a little bit too to be seen from behind. Give that a little spin. Kind of cool, right? All right, that's all I got. Peace.